Through the storm, through the fire, I'm climbing higher, climbing higher. Feel the rush, the thrill, the change.
BMS Warehouse is one of the exhibition sites for the 6th Kochi-Muziris Biennale in Mattancherry, Kochi, Kerala, India. Part of the students' Biennale program and other parallel installations. This immersive installation, part of the Students' Biennale and presented at BMS Warehouse, is a multi-sensory reconstruction of rural livelihoods and rice cultivation traditions from Midwestern Odisha, collaboratively created by 6 artists from Utkal University of Culture, using mixed media such as rice husks, soil, paddy straw, clay, terracotta pots, seeds, and sound and video elements to evoke indigenous food traditions, seed culture, and ecological wisdom. BMS Warehouse hosts works reflecting memory, Edward life, and cultural histories, including projects such as The House That Remembers, which evokes overlocked histories and fragile materials and visual voice of Kerala's politics, which documents fading hand-painted political graffiti, both presented as part of recent Biennale exhibitions. BMS Warehouse features site-specific works by student and emerging artists, engaging with local and cultural ecologies through material practices and sensory environments. Unlike many main exhibition venues, it emphasizes reflection, experience, and community memory. And as part of the Students' Biennale and collateral programs, it offers a space to discover new voices and experimental art within the wider festival. BMS Warehouse at Kochi-Muziris Biennale 2025 മുതൽ 26 വരെ ഒരു vibrant exhibition site within the Students' Biennale and collateral programs, known especially for immersive and cultural ground installations like Seeds of Continuity. It runs with the Biennale schedule from December 12, 2025 to March 31, 2026, typically open daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.